Hey there, it is 8:40 in the morning, running a little behind. That's my breakfast. I'm going to add some of my everything bagel seasoning to it, and that'll be my breakfast today. I totally forgot yesterday to scan the cheese that I ate. The cheese that I got at the gas station. So that was not on my calorie or on the chronometer yesterday. So take that into account. I was sitting here and I'm like 1,200 calories. That sure isn't a lot. And I wasn't hungry, so I'm like, oh yeah, I had that cheese yesterday. So anyway, if you watch yesterday's video, that's what I forgot to add into chronometer. Lunch today is some fresh zucchini sliced up with tomatoes and some of that Walden Farm dressing and some turkey. I have in there a serving of the Caribbean jerk by G. Hughes and some of that bacon and onion saute stuff that I made for my breakfast. I had it for lunch instead of breakfast today. Well, while I was at the meeting yesterday, somebody brought in 3 zucchinis and some cucumbers. I'm going to have this one for supper, and I'll show you what else I'm having for supper. Oh, this is my meal prep for tomorrow. Pork steaks and ground beef. I'm going to leave them both sitting out for a while. The expiration date was 6/26. I'm telling you, I went to Walmart again today and bought a whole bunch of yellow sticker meat. It's the way to go, man. But I'll be working on this tomorrow. I'll show you the meal prep tomorrow. Supper tonight. I have my tahini seasoning in a little bowl. I've got a cucumber because I plan on doing this. And then I have my steak bites that I'm fried up in a skillet the other day. It's hot, and I know this, but still I'm gonna do it. You bet your bippy. That's some good stuff. So, that is my supper tonight. And I'll plug in everything and show you what I got. Here's my macros for the day. Have a good Friday.